Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to master long-range sniping in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, spend time in the practice range or in-game practicing your aim. Focus on hitting targets consistently at various distances. Each sniping rifle has bullet drop, meaning the bullet will fall over distance. Learn to compensate by aiming slightly above distance targets. Adjust your sensitivity settings to find the right balance between precision and speed when aiming down sights. Find elevated position with a good view of the map to maximize your sniping potential while maximizing the risk of being spotted. Don't rush shots. Wait for the right moment when your target is stationary or moving predictably. Position yourself behind cover to minimize the chances of being spotted by enemies while lining up your shots. Learn the map layout to anticipate where enemies are likely to be and where they might move to. Equip a suppressor to reduce the sound of your shots, making it harder for enemies to locate after firing. Use a spotting scope to scout for enemies at long distances before taking your shots. Coordinate with your team to mark targets and provide cover fire while they move in for the kill. Pay attention to your surroundings to avoid flanked while focusing on distance target. Hold your breath by steadying your aim to improve accuracy while taking long-range shots. Experiment with different attachments to find the combination that best suits your playstyle and maximizes your weapon's effectiveness at long range. Move quickly and avoid unnecessary noise to remain undetected by enemies while setting up your shots. Anticipate where your targets will be by observing their movements and patterns. And that's how to master long-range sniping in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.